Today, we're doing something a little different. We're diving into the top 20 items you need when traveling, because great adventures shouldn't start with packing disasters. Whether you're backpacking across Europe, flying out for your first solo trip, or just heading to grandma's across the state line, this list is going to change your travel game forever. 1. Power bank, portable charger. First rule of travel: never let your phone die before your GPS loads. A good power bank is the travel MVP. Get one with at least 10,000 milliamp hours. More juice, less drama. 2. Universal travel adapter. Different countries, different plugs. One solution. A universal adapter means you can plug in like a local, anywhere from Tokyo to Timbuktu. 3. Packing cubes. Think of these as tiny suitcases for your suitcase. They keep your clothes organized and your sanity intact. Plus, no more underwear avalanches at the airport security check. 4. Noise-canceling headphones. That crying baby in row 26? Gone. The guy next to you watching action movies on full blast? Vanished. Your peace of mind? Restored. 5. Reusable water bottle with filter. Save money, stay hydrated, and skip single-use plastics. If it filters too, even better. Your gut will thank you in countries with questionable tap water. 6. Travel pillow. Not all heroes wear capes. Some cradle your neck during 12-hour flights. Get one with memory foam. Your spine deserves it. 7. Compact first aid kit. Blisters, cuts, surprise headaches. A basic kit equals big peace of mind. Bonus: you'll be the group hero when someone needs a Band-Aid. 8. Digital luggage scale. Because arguing with the airline check-in staff is not a vacation vibe. Weigh your bag before the tears, fees, and awkward repacking in line. 9. Multi-port USB charger. Hotels with one outlet, hostels with none. Your camera, phone, smartwatch, and Kindle can't all wait. One charger, all devices. Simple. 10. Travel insurance. It's not an item, but it's your invisible shield. Lost luggage, medical emergency, zombie apocalypse, you're covered. 11. Quick dry towel. Regular towels, heavy, slow, smelly. Quick dry towels, lightweight, compact, and dry faster than your hotel's questionable hairdryer. 12. Compression socks. Long-haul flights, and swollen legs. These socks? Magic. Trust me, your future ankles will write you a thank you letter. 13. Travel journal or digital note app. Don't trust your memory. Jot down names, hidden gems, hilarious fails. One day, you'll be glad you did. 14. Travel wallet or neck pouch. Keep your passport, cards, and cash in one place, and close to your chest, literally. Pickpockets hate this one simple trick. 15. Hand sanitizer and wipes. Planes, trains, tuk-tuks, they all have germs. Fight the funk, stay healthy, and wipe that tray table like your mom's watching. There you have it, the top 20 travel essentials to pack smarter, travel better, and avoid rookie mistakes. Remember, the best adventures start with being prepared, and a little bit of duct tape, just in case. Which of these items do you never leave home without? Drop it in the comments. We might feature your travel tip in our next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a tip, tale, or travel hack from us. And hey, if this video saved you from packing 5 jackets for a trip to the equator, you owe us a thumbs up.